Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to the subject software testing. In today's session, we are going to discuss the topics: what is software testing, that is the definition of software testing, and why this software testing is necessary or required for the projects in the IT companies, and true false statements about these two topics. Now, we will discuss about what is software testing, the definition of software testing, meaning of the software testing, and why this software testing is required, that is importance of software testing services in the IT companies. What are the importance of this software testing procedures for the software projects in the IT companies? This we will discuss. So what is software testing? Software testing definition: software testing is a process of analyzing or operating the software for the purpose of finding the bugs. Here, the main intention or the main goal or the main purpose of software testing is to find the bugs. Bugs are also called as defects or issues. So, the main purpose of this software testing is to find the defects in the software. Here, we have to remember these two keywords: analyzing or operating the software. Here, analyzing is a procedure which will come under static testing. Operating the software will come under dynamic testing. Both this static testing and the dynamic testing we will discuss going forward. These two are the combinations. Both analyzing and operating is the process of doing software testing. For what purpose we are doing software testing? We are doing testing to find the bugs, right? So what do you mean by analyzing? Analyzing is nothing but analyzing the documents which are related to the project. This is called analyzing. During this analysis, we will go through these reviews, walkthroughs and inspections. All these will come under static testing. Operation of the software in order to find the bugs is nothing but dynamic testing. Now, the testing is a process of executing the software in a controlled manner in order to find the defects. Controlled manner means what? In a particular environment. What is the name of that environment? Testing environment. That means in a testing environment, the software testing team will execute the software to find the defects. This is the process. So, it is a process of executing the software in a controlled manner in order to find the defects. This is called software testing. Definition. And why this software testing is required? What is the importance of software testing for the projects in the IT companies? So, the software testing is done in order to get adequate trust and confidence on the product. So we have to get the adequate trust and confidence, then only we can use that particular software project. So to whom we have to have this adequate trust and confidence? We have to provide the trust and confidence on the product to the client, to the customer, because he will spend some crores of rupee on his projects. So, and to meet the organization goals like meeting the requirements and zero defects. So what it means? Testing is done to verify whether all the requirements are meeting in the project or not. That means all the requirements, all the client requirements are satisfied in the project or not. So, and also zero defects. Zero defects means defect-free software. That means there will be no any defects. So for these two reasons also we will do the software testing. So software testing mainly it is done to get adequate trust and confidence of the project on the project to the client, and also to verify, to check whether all the client requirements are satisfying in the project or not. And also we have to see that there should not be any defects, that is zero defects. If and only if the project which is having the zero defects is deployed, is supplied to the client, then only he will get happy. So That is the main intention. Zero defects means defect-free software. That means there are no any defects. There will be no any defects in the project. For these reasons, actually, we will do the software testing. Other than this, so we are having so many other reasons to provide the software testing services in the IT companies on the projects. So we have to do the software testing because the software is likely to have the defects. It will have the defects. The main goal, the main aim of the testing is to find the defects. And because the failures can be very expensive, so in order to reduce the expenses, we have to do the testings. And to learn about the reliability of the software, so for this software testing is done in order to learn the reliability of the software. So the reliability of the software is a very good topic, and we will discuss this reliability of the software in a separate session. And to avoid being sued by the customers, what do you mean by sued? Sued is nothing but filing the case in the court of law. Why the customers will file a case in the court of law? When the customer is not satisfied, when the customer is not provided the project by the vendor team according to his requirements, obviously he will sue in the court of law. And also to stay in the business, that is to stay in the IT market, we have to do the software testing, as well as with respect to the in the perspective of the client. So if they are doing the business, so there should not be any defects in the project. So in order to stay in the business, in order to stay in the market, they have to have the good quality of the software. And to build the confidence that we have already discussed in the previous slide, and to demonstrate the conformance to the requirements, that means whether all the requirements are satisfied in the project or not, that we have to demonstrate. For this purpose, we have to do the testing. Obviously, to find the defects in the project, and to show the system meets the user needs. User means client need. Client need is nothing but requirement. And also to assess the software quality. So by doing this testing, the testing team will assess the quality of the software. For these reasons, the testing team, the dedicated testing teams will perform the testing on the projects in the IT companies. And these are the true-false statements. Why testing is required? See, to build the confidence, true. To prove that software is correct, wrong. Because, so we have to keep it in mind, testing services will never say, testing services will never tries to prove that the software is correct. The testing services itself is to find the defects. It will not to prove, or it will not to say the software is correct. This is not the goal of the software testing team. So the main intention of the software testing team is to find the defects in the project. So please, this is very important. No need to confuse. The testing services will never say, or the testing services team or software testing team will never prove that software is correct. So that statement is wrong. To demonstrate conformance to the requirements, yes. To find the faults, yes. To reduce the cost, yes. To show the system meets user needs, yes. And to assess the software quality, yes. For all these reasons, we have to do the testing. And why the testing is necessary? Because the software is likely to have the faults, correct. And the next is to learn about the reliability of the software. For this purpose, we have to do the testing. This is also one of the reasons for doing the testing. And because failures can be very expensive, so in order to avoid these failures, we have to do the testing. And to avoid being sued by the customers, we have to do the testing. To stay in the business, we have to do the testing. Because the testing is included in the project plan. It's a wrong statement. See, just because of the testing is included in the project plan, we are not doing testing. We are doing testing to get adequate trust and confidence on the project to the client, and to see whether all the client requirements are satisfied or meeting or not. And we have to deliver the defect-free softwares. So for this purpose we are doing testing, not for the purpose of the testing services which are included in the project plan. And to prove that the software has no faults, it's 100% wrong, because the software testing will never prove that there are no faults. The software testing never says there are no defects. The software testing team will find the defects in the software. They will try to find the defects in the software. And to fill the time between the delivery of the software and the release date. This is also wrong. We are not doing the testing for filling the time or to cover the gap or to cover the time between the delivery of the product and the release date. Right? So for all these reasons we are doing testing. This is the importance of software testing. Right? So please subscribe my channel and share my video sessions to your friends, those who are trying to get a job in the IT industry, and also like my sessions. Thank you very much.